Everyone thinks you need to drop hundreds of dollars on software to get productive on a Mac. But what if we told you the most amazing apps are actually free? Honestly, they feel almost illegal to use, and they will completely change how you use your Mac. Today, we're sharing our secret list of 7 free Mac apps that are so good you'll be shocked Apple hasn't tried to buy them yet. So let's get into it. First off, let us look at how we handle moving heavy files around without losing our peace of mind. We have all struggled with web uploaders that time out or limit our file sizes just when we are in a hurry. That is where a wonderful tool called Blip comes into the picture to change the whole game for us. It acts like a global version of AirDrop, establishing a direct end-to-end encrypted tunnel between your Mac and any other device. Because it transfers data directly without uploading to a third-party cloud server, we never have to worry about running out of storage or hitting a strict size limit. Whether we are trying to share a small photo or a massive 99-terabyte archive folder, this native app handles it beautifully. It is fully optimized to use every bit of our local internet speed, and it even resumes our progress automatically if the network drops out. For anyone who creates videos, handles massive audio sessions, or just shares documents daily, this lightweight tool saves a massive amount of time. Next one, we should talk about how we can open up our favorite workspaces and applications way faster. We often find ourselves clicking through endless folders or searching manually through our systems just to get our daily environment ready. To fix that slowdown, we can bring in a very straightforward and helpful keyboard launcher utility named Launchy. It sits quietly in the background until we hit a quick shortcut key, instantly bringing up a clean, minimal search bar right where we need it. It adapts to our personal habits over time, meaning the things we use the most will always pop up first with fewer keystrokes. By keeping our hands completely on the keyboard, we cut out the clunky trackpad navigation that breaks our concentration throughout the workday. It's a brilliant way to keep our desktop clean while making sure every single file remains just a second away. Okay, so once we have our files right in front of us, we often need to do complex tasks that usually require digging into the deep system terminal. We know the built-in Unix tools on our Mac are incredibly strong, but remembering the exact command lines can feel like trying to read a confusing map. Fortunately, we can bridge that gap effortlessly by using a brilliant new command bar interface called Substage. This clever software docks right underneath our active Finder window, letting us type what we want to do in plain, everyday English. For example, we can simply type a phrase to batch resize images, convert a video format, or merge multiple PDF documents together. The app reads our request and instantly translates it into safe, real terminal operations like FFmpeg or SIPs. What makes us trust it so much is that it runs a local simulation first, showing us exactly which files will be modified before anything actually happens. It gives us all the raw power of advanced developer tools without any of the stress or risk of ruining our important work. Now, we also need a faster way to move items between different application spaces. We waste a lot of time dragging windows around our screen just to copy a text snippet or upload an image to a specific destination. To smooth out that friction, we have been relying heavily on a productivity grid utility called Dropzone. When we grab any file or piece of text, a clean, customizable shelf slides out from the top of our screen to receive it. We can drop our items onto specific preset zones to instantly copy them, move them to a hidden folder, or even trigger a custom shortcut automation. It keeps our most frequent digital destinations organized in one central place, so we don't have to keep multiple Finder windows open at the same time. This simple change keeps our workspace incredibly tidy and turns multi-step sorting tasks into a fast gesture. Naturally, as we move and process all these different files, our local hard drives eventually start running out of breathing room. We often see that annoying system warning about low disk space, but finding what's actually hogging our storage feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's exactly why we always keep a classic heavy-duty utility named OmniDiskSweeper in our toolkit. Instead of guessing, this application performs a deep, thorough scan of our entire internal drive and lists every folder by its exact size. It organizes our data into a clear visual hierarchy, allowing us to drill down into hidden caches and giant forgotten downloads that are wasting precious gigabytes. It doesn't delete anything automatically, which gives us complete control to safely destroy massive, useless files with a single click. It's an incredibly fast and honest way to reclaim our drive space without paying for bloated, untrustworthy cleaning software. In the same spirit of keeping our system lean, we have to look closely at what happens when we throw away old applications we don't use anymore. We usually just drag an icon to the trash can, thinking that removes everything, but that actually leaves behind dozens of hidden support files. Over time, those leftover caches, preference files, and broken logs sit deep in our library folders and slow our system down. To prevent that buildup, we always use a tiny, dedicated uninstaller app called App Cleaner. When we drag an unwanted software icon into this simple window, it instantly hunts down every single scattered file associated with that program. It presents us with a neat checklist of all the related data hidden across our Mac, so we can wipe the slate clean completely. This ensures our operating system stays as light and responsive as the day we first unboxed it. Finally, once our Mac is clean and organized, we need to think about the size of the media we're sharing with the outside world. We frequently take quick screenshots or record our screens, only to find the resulting files are way too large to send over email or chat. To solve this everyday headache, we can run a brilliant automated clipboard optimizer named Klopp. The moment we copy an image or finish a screen recording, this background utility instantly optimizes the file to the smallest possible size. It uses open-source compression tools to shrink the file down with absolutely zero noticeable loss in visual quality. It even uses the dedicated media engine chip inside modern Apple Silicon to process video files without draining our battery life. That means we can paste and send heavy media across the web instantly without waiting around for slow uploads. Looking back at everything, these tools show us that we don't need to spend money on expensive subscriptions to get a fast Mac experience. Each of these applications solves a real everyday problem safely and efficiently. Go ahead and download these free utilities today to see how much cleaner your desktop feels. Let us know down below which one helped your workflow the most, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.